everyone, it's Judy. Welcome to my channel. I am so very excited to get started today, and I'm glad that you're here to share this with me. I got my very first subscription from the Tokyo Kawaii. Stamp there isn't very good. I'm just so excited. For those of you who don't know, this is a Disney subscription service from Japan. It took about, I want to say, 4 weeks, a little more than 4 weeks to get here. And I had watched them on YouTube, and I'm just really excited. So keep watching and let's see what's in the bag. I first want to give a shout out to Shell, my friend at Kiss Press. She does LipSense, and this is a brand new shade. It is Violet Volt, and then I have pink glitter gloss on top. I'm going to put a link to her site below. I'm really loving this purple, and I like the glitter gloss on top. Not just the gloss, but the glitter. I think that's really cool. So, let's get into the goodies. Okay, I already opened the bag just because, well, I hate doing that, you know. If you've been here a while, you know that I hate that. Okay, so let's just pull this out. And this is from Tokyo Disneyland. The bag, isn't that cool? Still Halloween. Okay. And then on the back it says 35 happiest celebrations, Tokyo Disney Resort. And I can already see there's another bag inside of it. These bags are kind of see-through, so let's reach in here and same thing. Oh, and there's something smishing. These are so cool. Okay. Okay, so let's see what's in here. We're going to do the little bag first. Okay. All right, on top, this is so cool. This is the park map for Tokyo Disneyland. It has all the food. I've seen these on other unboxings, and I always save all of my park maps. So this is just, I can't read it, but it's just cool. The whole that is definitely on my bucket list to go to Tokyo Disney. Okay, let's see what else is in here. There was something. An ofufi. Oh wow! This is the first one I've ever gotten. It's so cool. Oh, and he smells. He does smell good. It's one of the 7 dwarfs. I am not sure which one, and of course I cannot read the tag. I'll have to look it up to see which one this is. Snow White is my favorite Disney movie. This is so cute. I love that. Okay. I mentioned that I really liked villains. You can personalize this to an extent. Some of the stuff in Tokyo Disneyland is not the same. The same themes are not as popular. So if you really, really love one thing, they may not be as present in the Tokyo park as they are in the US park. But I did mention that I love villains. And these are, I'm thinking Band-Aids. That's what they look like. They're Band-Aids with the villains. How cool is that? I'm not sure I want to use these on my boo-boos, but I will put them in my bag when we go to Disney because somebody always gets a boo-boo at Disney. It never fails. And these would be really cool. I like those. Okay. Oh. This is, I don't know if you can see this or not. There we go. It's Winnie the Pooh. I am not sure exactly what this is for. Again, I don't read Japanese. But it does have a clip on the top, and then you can clip things on the bottom. I can think of all sorts of uses for this, and that it has Christopher Robin and all Winnie the Pooh, has Winnie the Pooh, has Eeyore and Tigger and Piglet and Roo and Rabbit. Oh, that is just adorable. I love that. I'm going to find someplace special for that. Okay, Let's see what else is in here. A sticker. I love stickers. That's cool. Okay. More stuff in this bag. Oh, I pulled out two things. What's up? Oh, and a villain keychain. Oh my goodness. And it's Maleficent. How adorable is that? Oh my goodness. I love that. Love, love, love that. Oh. That is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And the other thing that I pulled out is a charm. And it's an Alice in Wonderland charm. I know that I'm not going to be able to get this really good. I'll get you a close-up and insert it here. That's Alice in Wonderland. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love that. And I do have a charm bracelet, and that's going to go right on my charm bracelet. That is gorgeous. Okay, that was one bag. Now, y'all know I'm going to keep this bag, right? Because that bag is just too cool. Okay, so let's go to the bigger bag. There's only one thing in here. And on it is a Winnie the Pooh note from Michael. He's the curator for this. It says, thanks so much for supporting my business. And it's a Winnie the Pooh Post-it note. That is cool. I like that. And this is from Tokyo Disney Sea. I think these are file folders. Let's open these up and see. There's two here. And this one is all Villains Halloween 2018 Tokyo Disney Sea. Villains Rise Again. Welcome to the Villains. And they are folders. That is so cool. And down, these are all the villains up here. And here's Mickey and Minnie and Daisy and Donald and Goofy and Chip and Dale and Pluto. Oh, and it's got Maleficent in the background. Oh, that is so cool. And then in the back it's just, that is neat. And I'm rearranging my office right now. That'll be perfect. That will be absolutely perfect. And then in the other half there's another one with a Halloween villain theme. Halloween 2018. And this is basically a larger picture of what was on the bottom. And then on the back, it's the villains in the Fab Five, plus a few. That is so cool. Wow. Wow, I'm overwhelmed. I'm going to put the link to Tokyo Kawaii Club below. Now, it's not a very expensive subscription service, which really kind of surprised me. I was expecting to pay more considering that it's coming from Japan. But I wasn't expecting this much. So, wow. Okay. Let me gather my thoughts here. You do have to wait a while. From the time that you order it to the time you actually receive it, it's, I think he says 4 to 6 weeks. It took about a little more than 4 weeks to get here, and boy was I impatient. My poor mailman was being stalked to see if he had my package from Japan yet. That being said, that's the only downside, waiting for the bag to get here. These are absolutely wonderful. I absolutely love these. And to know that these are from, you know, Tokyo Disneyland. If I had to pick out my favorite, oh my goodness. I love Winnie the Pooh, so I love this. But this villain keychain and this charm, oh my, I can't pick out a favorite. I'm sorry. Michael, thank you so much. You said thank you in the note. I don't know where I put it right at the moment. You said thank you for supporting your business. Thank you for bringing a little piece of Tokyo Disneyland here to the States, here to Texas. Thank you so much. Again, I'll post that link below. Go support his business if you're into Disney subscription box. And as long as you're supporting business, hit that subscribe button below if you like more content like this. I am announcing that I'm going to attempt to do Vlogmas this December. That will be one video posted every day, the 1st through the 24th of December. It's called Vlogmas. Now, they may not be very long videos, they may be very short videos, but there's going to be a video every day for 24 days. So I really hope you hit that subscribe button so you can see everything that we do, not only Disney related, but Christmas related in this house. It's always an adventure in this house when it comes to the holidays. So just be prepared. Hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss anything. Until next time, go out there and do something great and have a magical day.